Hey guys, this is Matt from Discovering His Way. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. In my garage is the coveted, Aquaglide Blackfoot Angler 160. This boat is insane. Listen to me. I'm not kidding around. Look at this drop stitch floor. It's hard as a rock, and these tubes on the side made of Duratec. Oh, what does that mean? A shark could come and try to bite it. Guess what? He's going to have to go to the dentist. And the dentist is going to say to Mr. Shark, what happened? Oh, I made the big mistake in trying to bite a Blackfoot Aquaglide Angler 160. All my teeth are messed up. What do you suggest? Dentist says I suggest that you avoid it in the future. Yeah, I'd say so. Now, a lot of boats, almost all kayaks, but not all inflatables, offer something called a Molle mount. This is what a Molle mount is. It's like this. And you're like, well, what does that do? Oh, I'm glad you asked. There are three, watch this very carefully, there are three main companies that offer accessories to Molle mounts. Those companies would be Scotty, Yak Attack, and Ram. And here's what happens. The Molle mount sits here, and then you put a mount on top. It just screws down and it stays there. Now, for this one, I love this. These are all Scotty mounts, and I know Yak Attack and Ram are just going to be like, Matt, you could have thrown us a bone. Well, I mentioned you, okay? But it allows you to customize your kayak. Molle mount holders allow you to put mounts there that will what? Well, you can put stuff like this. This will hold your GoPro. You can put cups on it. You can put your fish holders on it. You can do whatever you want, but your kayak, your inflatable, has to have the Molle mounts. Now, the Blackfoot has 10 Molle mounts, which is just absolutely insane. And again, you might be new to kayak and you're like, well, Matt, keep on talking, buddy. Okay, well, listen, when you're putting the Molle mounts on, normally this is the size. You need a 1/4 inch by 20 by 1. That's the type of screw that you need. Here's the rule. When you put the screw through your accessory, okay, your mount, it cannot stick out more than a 1/2 inch. This part right here cannot be more than a 1/2 inch. Once you have that, it's very simple. You do not, look at me, you do not want to use a drill to speed it up. You know what I'm saying? With a bit. You do not want to do that. What do you not want to do? You do not want to use a drill on this because you don't want to puncture it. And guys, when you're putting these on, again, this is a Scotty mount, okay? You got to kind of put your hand on it and move it kind of, you know, because you're talking it, you got to kind of move it until it gets in line with that hole. Okay, so here's a close-up, and you can see it has holes with a place for the screw, so it's just not a screw going into plastic. There actually is, you know, about a 1/4 inch down, a metal thing, and then there's a metal plate under here. And the metal plate, again, is going to keep you from going all the way down. Again, once you have your Molle plate and your Scotty attachment on, you can go straight in there. There's going to be a notch. See the notch? You want to line that notch up, and you can go this way, or depending on the angle, you can go this way. I would probably personally go this way. I think this is a great shot with the GoPro. I'm going to do that. I'm going to move this here like that. And then I have an attachment. Let me grab my attachment. Where are you? And it goes here, and that's going to fit in there. And I could put my GoPro here. Look at this on the top of my boat. Now, how many men have lied about catching fish? And they lied so much, one time they really did catch a fish this big, but no one believed them because they didn't have a setup like this. Now, guys, one of the things you got to do when you're installing these, okay, there's an arrow that shows inward. You want that arrow right there going in. You may not be able to pick it up, but right here is an arrow and it's pointing inward to the boat. So when you're putting these on, you have to make sure that they're inward. The arrow is pointing towards you, so I would do it like this. So guys, right now I've put 3 Molle attachments. Okay, I have one here, one here, one here, and one here. This is a great shot for your GoPro or your camera, but look at this. My chair is going to sit right here. I sit in the back of the boat. We're working on the back of the boat, but look at this, guys. Look at this Scotty drink holder right there where I need it, you know what I mean? You could put a fishing rod holder over here. Over here you have another stripping of mollies, okay? And again, molly is just going to allow you to attach things to the side of the boat or wherever you want on the boat. But like here, I put my wallet in this, I put my phone in this, and I can just clip this to there. I really, really like the setup. I also have these rings so I can hook anything, again, to the Blackfoot Angler 160 that I want. Guys, on this Scotty accessory, I added an extra extension arm so I can get a higher view of the boat while I'm canoeing and while I'm fishing and while I'm doing what I do when I do what I do. But I kind of like this. This can go in any direction. I mean, it's just any different way. And you can actually put two GoPros up here. Or you can put a camera and a GoPro. So you can have your both GoPros if you have two of them going forward and backwards. And there's these things, guys, look at. These are solid composite. They are thick. As my first concern was how much weight can they hold? How durable is it? And I honestly don't think I could break this right here. I'm not kidding, with a hammer or a sledgehammer. It's that strong. It's very, very thick composite, and there's like a million different attachments depending on how you want to deck out your kayak. You can do it if you're using your kayak all the time for fishing, so you're going to deck it out going in that direction. You're going to have your fish finder, you're going to have your rods, you're going to have your always drink holders, but you're going to have the things that matter to you. And again, there's 3 companies out there, and those are Scotty, Yak Attack, and Ram, and each one of those specializes in these accessories, in these attachments. So you have to decide up front, okay, am I going to go with Yak? Because Yak is going to have a little bit of a different base plate than this, which is Scotty. And so normally what people do is they will stick with one brand throughout their whole kayak. You don't have to, but most people do. I just like the durability, the thickness, the composite, the strength of Scotty. But here's the thing, some people have their favorites, just like we all have favorite ice creams. Rocky Road. I tell you what, in the description, I will put the Scotty mount attachments, all the things that I have here, you know what I'm saying? And then you can decide, hey, if I want to go to Scotty, at least you have a link that you can see, okay, this is how much they cost. And this is, look at, these will not wear out. This is a one-time buy for your kayak. Your kayak will wear out before the Scotty mounts wear out. So you're going to take the Scotty mounts to your next kayak, and to your next kayak, and to your boat, and to your yacht, and to your cruise ship, okay? You're always going to bring your Scotty mounts. You never get rid of them. They're for life. I don't want to take up any more of your time. I'm really loving this Blackfoot Angler 160. It is an insane, incredible boat. I'm going to put some more of the mounts on, get it ready. I'm going out tomorrow. It's going to be like 95 degrees. I love the drop stitch flooring because I can put my big, hard cooler Aquaglide through one in. It's just not big enough because, you know, I'm going to catch a fish this big. So, hey, you have an excellent day. I hope this helped you out. Remember, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you really liked it, in my description is a place where you can buy me a cup of coffee for $3. I would love you, and I will sip it and think about you all the time where I'm drinking that coffee. Hey, this is Matt. Peace out.